in a single pass. And ultra-high accuracy engraving. With rotary attachment, M1 can also carve on cups. M1 has a built-in 16 megapixel ultra-wide-angle high-resolution camera that lets you bring sketches to life just with your pen. With image extraction, you can easily collect all your memories. M1 can automatically recognize the official materials, autofocus and measure the thickness of all materials. AI batch processing empowers you to create multiple works in one shot. And Smart Camera can recognize and automatically cut the pattern. Making ideas come true has never been this easy. xTool M1 brings more joy to your life. Capture your precious moments. Surprise your loved ones. Save money or even make some. Stay safe and smile to the world. Make block.
Hi. Hello. Hi. Welcome to today's live. I'm Prima.
I'm Joy.
Okay, Joy, please introduce yourself.
Yes, hello, I'm Joy, and I'm actually new to the xTool team. And just like you guys who had just received your M1, I'm actually a beginner too, and that's why exactly why I'm here, to demonstrate to you some like really easy M1 projects that some like even as me as a beginner can like do it on my own. Yeah.
Yes, exactly. Okay, welcome, Joy. And okay, so thank you for joining today's live. And it has been 5 months since our last live demo of M1 of last year. Okay, so sorry, I'm not sure if you watched all of the live demo of last year. So if you have watched them, you can comment. And so M1 was first launched on Kickstarter as the world's first dual cutting desktop smart machine.
Yes.
And it has not only the laser head but also
the blade head.
Yes, so it can deal with more materials than ever before, no matter cutting, engraving using laser or using the blade.
Yeah.
Okay, so I know some of you has already received your M1. If you did, please comment and let us know. When did you receive your M1? And how do you like it? Did you already start your first project? Okay, so today's live is mainly about hands-on guide. So just like Joy, the beginner, how we start to make projects with M1. So it's very beginner and
friendly.
Beginner friendly M1 and a 101 guide for all of you. Yeah. And I know you may have like further questions about this machine, and we will also. This will not be the only live, so if you have other questions that we didn't cover today, that we will try to make them in our
next
or upcoming live demos.
Yes. Yeah, so now let's just go ahead and get started with our first project. So what we're going to do is a cat teaser. It's actually...
Okay, before we start,
sorry.
I have some discounts today. So you can see up right corner. Yeah. You can see up right corner we have 5% off code for you to buy M1. So if you want to buy M1, you can use the code up there. Yeah. And we also have this Mother's Day campaign on website. Yeah. So what can we do? What can we get?
Yeah, so if you go to the xTool official website, you can join this Happy Mother's Day this game. And after you join this game, you have a chance to win a $100 off coupon for the M1 Mega Pack.
What does it include?
Yeah, it includes basically everything like M1, and also the riser, the rotary attachment one, the air purifier. And the really cute animal skin of M1.
And also the premium material package. So that's everything. If you join our event on our website, you have the chance to win 100 coupon.
Yes.
Okay. And also today, not only M1, we are also we will also be presenting tons of materials from xTool, our sub-brand called xTool Selected. So if you are looking for some materials for you to make projects, well, today is the chance to buy them all because we have super good discount and a super good price. So I'm going to show you where you can get all the links and discounts. So let's see here. So here is the page of our live. You can see the page here, and you can just check here. We have 48-hour flash sale, and you can buy whether on xTool website and or also xTool Amazon store. And we have different materials, and we will be presenting them today by doing different projects. And you can also click here if you have already this needs for yourself. And you can also check what we can do with them, okay? Okay, so I know you cannot wait for the first project. What will we do?
It's a cat teaser. It's
Yes.
actually really cute. It's here, yeah.
Yeah. So, so buying M1, you can do gifts for your friends, families, and
Also for your pet.
our pet friends like our kitty and our puppy.
Yeah.
And this is a cat teaser,
Yeah.
okay? So how are we gonna make it by ourselves? Joy
Yeah.
will be here, be introducing you how to do with it. So what materials do we need today, Joy?
Yes, so we're going to need some felt
Okay.
and some wood and some, sticking paper
Yes,
for stickers, and also some yard. Yeah. So this is all we need.
Okay. And these are all the materials that you can get from xTool Selected, from xTool website. Okay. So let's take the close-up. Let's do the close-up. So we
Okay.
turn the machine on and let's open it. Okay, our first step is, what's our first step? What material should we deal with first?
So we are going to insert some triangle prism.
For felt?
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, so you can get this triangle prism in your package.
Yes, so the triangle prism is actually,
As a gift, we actually add it in your package.
yes,
So you can play the role of a honeycomb actually.
yes.
Okay, so what's the first material?
So it's the felt,
Okay.
and we are
You
going
can also
to.
get the file from xTool website.
Yes, so I'm now going to show you how to get our, this cat teasing project in our xTool creative space.
NDI 没有连接成功，子熙呢？把它叫下来。Okay, sorry, just a minute, just a moment. 近景直接切到电脑镜头，俊天直接拍。Okay, sorry, we are changing the camera to the computer. Okay. 叫他，快点。Okay, so what's our steps? Can you explain?
Yes, so
So we are doing the felt, and what are the settings?
yes, so first is we can go to this project, and yeah, actually, so we have
The
all of
cat teaser toys
cat
choice
teaser
here.
toys choice here, and we can start the project. Yeah, but since we already have here, and we are just print with this.
Okay, sorry, we were adjusting the camera there, and in the meantime, I can take some questions for you. Is there a wait for materials? Is it in the US or China? Well, there's, you don't have to wait for the materials, as we already have our stock in American US warehouse. So if you want to order, it will be very fast delivery. When do I find out when my M1 will ship? Well, you can check it directly on our official website on Amazon. If you cannot find it, you can contact support@xtool.com for inquiries. But do pay attention, if you order now, the estimated delivery date is in June. And if you were a Kickstarter backer or you pre-order long time ago, it's already on the way, or some of you have already received them. Yes, we are having the new software. It's called xTool Creative Space. So it's an updated version rather than LazyBox Basic. And with this new software, we will have many projects for you to choose. Is LazyBox Pro software only for M1, or can you use it for D1 as well? Well, yes, the name is actually xTool Creative Space. It's chassis S. It's also for D1. Will there be a discount for those of us ordered M1 Deluxe with a rotary? Yes, if you apply the discount code, you can use it for your M1 machine. Just try the coupon code on the upper right corner. Okay, let's switch to the close-up. Sorry, there is a problem with our connection of NDI, so we will only use camera to show you the surface, the user surface, intersurface there.
Yeah, so since
the xTool Creative Space is not out yet, no. You can actually download from our website. And please, Mia, can you send the download address of xTool Creative Space? 软件的下载链接. Okay, we are sending it in the comment. You can check. You can actually download it now.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Okay, then it's all settled on this in the software. Okay, the machine start working. Let's take a look of the machine.
Yeah. So we just start working.
So unlike xTool D1, unlike xTool D1, so it's a closed structure of M1. So I'm sorry, it's not that clear as you can see from D1. But this is also one of the advantage of M1 with the closed structure and also the lid. It can protect your eyes from the laser light. And with this design, it has also the automatic stop function. If you open the lid, all the operation will stop automatically. Sorry. Okay, let's go back to some questions. If you have some question, I can check it now. Are there any plans to develop an air assist for M1? I'm sorry, but not yet for M1 because the structure of M1 is closed, so it's not that easy to add air assist. You can see the protection of the lid is really good, that you can see nothing laser inside. Okay, it's done. Let's open it. Okay, so we have finished the cutting.
Yes.
So so this is the first part, right?
So this is the first part.
Okay, you can show to the camera.
Yeah. It's like this. Yeah.
Okay, so this is the first part of the cat teaser.
Yep. And then we are going to cut some wood.
Is the workspace bigger than the D1? Nope. So D1 has actually a larger working area.
So right now, like the triangular prism, it can help. It increase the airflow and it can help with the burned wood, so it will not get that burned in the backside of the wood. And also, it can help with the air purifier in the left, so it won't have all those smoke popping outside of the box. Yeah.
Okay. Do you want to show the software interface?
Yes.
Okay. Please.
Yeah. So here are our wood.
What are the two working area sizes for M1 and D1? Okay, please, Mia, you can send the sizes in the comments so people can know the exact size.
So yeah, here you can see that it is photographed. The wood is photographed, and we can put our pattern here on it, and then we select. This is base wood, so we select the base wood, and also we have a height raiser. It's raised, so it's like triangular prism, and then we select this one, and then just check if everything is all right, and we can go ahead and start. Yeah, so we can do a framing if you want, but actually we are not doing today, so we'll just send this.
Okay. M1 跟 D1 的面积。
And we're just starting to cut wood.
Okay. And you may notice that we're actually using the air purifier with M1. So that's also the mega pack that you can get from xTool as well. And if you join our campaign on the website page, you have the chance to win up to 100 coupon for buying that pack. And for your RA2 Pro question, compatible with M1, yes, but not now. It will be compatible in July. Okay, I know some of you want to purchase M1 Deluxe with RA2. Is that available? So the current M1 Deluxe version is the RA1 of the rotary attachment, and the deluxe version of RA1 will be put on the shelves later. The RA2, the option that you want to add with deluxe version plus RA2 will be available later. Thanks for your suggestion, and we will be providing this option soon. And if possible, can someone ask our colleague of adding it as soon as possible?
Yeah, so I saw people asking, will the laser resume if you open the lid during the cut? No, it will not. If you open the lid, it will stop. It will protect you from any harm. Yeah.
Some of you are asking, what is RA2? Okay, it's an updated version. It's an updated version of our rotary attachment. Will we get the same discount on RA2 that D1 users got in the first live? Thanks for asking, but as usual, we will provide a big discount for every first live of launching of this product. So I'm sorry there will be not this big coupon as the first time. So please stay tuned, subscribe to our channel, and you will always get notification if we're gonna to launch new products. Can we order skin for M1? Well, if you get the mega pack of M1, you can get animal skin, and you can also add the skin if you go to M1 page. I think the price is pretty good for ordering the skin now. Is there an air purifier system for the D1 system? Well, soon there will be, together with the enclosure for D1. Any plans to update the skins? Well, yes, we can take this into consideration. If lots of you want to more patterns of skins, that we can do it. Website allows me to choose M1 Basic and RA2 separate. Why wouldn't we be able to choose Deluxe instead? Thanks for your suggestion. We will make it available later on. Okay, I see some of you asking about the skin. Yes, we will feedback this to our team, and we will try to get it for you. Can I order D1 with just 20-watt laser? Do you mean we want to order separately the 20-watt laser module? Well, you can get the laser module separately, but it is only compatible with D1 machine, like D1 5-watt or 10-watt currently. So if you already have a machine yourself, you can get the module separately, and it can be a good swap. Okay, will there be a discount for those of us that ordered M1 10-watt Deluxe with the rotary, and now you have the RA2? If we order it, is there any discount? So yes, please stay tuned, and we will try to provide a solution for it. Okay, now let's see the result.
Yes, as you can see, we already put our air purifier and also our triangular prism under it, so it won't have too much or
Smoke.
smoke inside. Yes, and this is the cut.
Yeah, and the triangle prism did a good job.
Yeah.
Let's see the cutting result and the parts that we have.
Yes.
Do you need to manually focus laser module on the M1? No, because we have a smart camera and we have the algorithm for the machine to focus automatically. So you don't have to do the manual focus. That's one of the advantages of M1 as well. It has the camera and it also has the Z-axis. So it's comparatively more beginner friendly. If you are like totally new to laser, it will be recommended.
Yes, so
you don't have a D1 yet, that's why you want to order 20 watt. Well, currently we only have the laser module, so if you want to have a new laser machine, what we suggest is buy D1 machine with the 20 watt laser module, or you can stay tuned if we have any further plans. Okay, Joy is ready to show you the third part of the CAD teaser. What do we need here?
yeah, so we're going to cut the stickers, and so we are going to need some cutting mat. So in the M1 Deluxe version, we actually give you these two cutting mats. Yes.
So
the first
blue one?
Yeah, the blue one is actually is for normal paper and regular
Thin materials.
thin and the soft materials, and yes, and so for this one, for the pink one, it's more for thick materials and also like fabric. Yes, so today we are going to use this one because it's stickers and it's pretty soft. It's pretty easy to cut. Yeah.
Okay, let's get ready.
Yeah. So.
Okay, let's get ready. So first we put the cutting mat on top of the bottom plate.
Yeah, and make sure it's stick.
It's
actually
flat.
It's actually very
No
sticky.
bumps.
Yeah, and also we put this into our map.
Okay.
Oh, actually, I'm new here, so yeah.
So
And also
it's kind of, so don't be too nervous if Joy is making some mistakes. As a beginner, it's normal to make mistakes, and that's every one of your first journey of using M1 to make projects. Take your time,
Yeah. So this
Step
is,
by step.
So just make sure it's pretty even. Yeah.
And no bubbles.
No bubbles. Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Good. Okay.
Okay, let's go to set software.
So as you can see on the software, we have to first photograph. Yeah, photograph the what's inside the camera. It already has this yellow sticker on it, and then we want to cut this little circle. So yeah.
Are you using 5 or 10 watt M1 in this live demo? We are using the 10 watt.
Yeah. So we are just start to cut. And then we press the button and it starts.
Yeah, M1 only has one button. So
Yes.
you don't have to choose like which button you should click every time.
Yes.
It's super fast. It's done, right?
Yeah, it's
Okay,
done.
let's take it
Super
out.
fast. Yeah, let's take it out. Yeah.
Do you need any tool or just your hand?
Yes, actually we have this xTool M1 set.
Yes,
it
kit.
Kit. Okay, it can help you, like do
Better deal with the materials you cut or
Yes.
engraved.
Yeah, we have.
Let's have a look.
Yeah, we have all these things needed. I personally mostly use this too. Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, sorry.
What do you need here?
Actually, I need this one.
Okay. So this is also on sale. If you want to buy this kit, you can also get on our Amazon store.
Yes.
And Mia, you can send in the link of the M1 toolkit. It's 50% off today.
So if you do it on your hand, it's not quite easy. But if it's on here,
With this,
yes, it's pretty easy to Yeah.
okay. What did
Here
you?
is the sticker.
Yeah.
So yeah, we are just going to stick this to our little wood.
Oh,
Oh, sorry.
take your time. No worries.
Okay, so it's already this, and then we can cut a little heart.
So you are using another material here,
Yeah, using another
another color.
color sticker. So it's the same step. We're going to make sure it's even.
Yeah. So what we are doing today is not a complicated project. We just want to show you everyone can make your own project.
Yes. So
Are the laser modules for M1 and D1 interchangeable or no? It's different laser. Can I engrave on hardwood like oak? Yes, we can do engraving on hardwood. Will there be a 20-watt module for the M1? We don't actually have this plan yet. Okay, let's take it out.
yes. So you can see it's really, really quick. It's
Yes.
like 2 seconds. Yeah, and
Careful.
yeah.
So you do need to be careful when you are using this tool. The head is comparatively sharp.
Yeah.
But it's also, in this way, it can help you to take all the patterns out.
Yeah.
Okay?
So we're going to stick this heart.
Yeah.
Yeah. So here.
It's cute, isn't it?
Yeah, it's cute.
2 layers.
Yeah. So
Okay.
I'm not. Yeah, you can do it like really slowly and carefully.
Yes.
But I'm just in the live show and a little bit of nervous. Okay.
Okay,
so,
let's see the final result, everything you have done.
Yes. So
All the parts you have made
Yeah, all the parts I have made.
here.
So we have made all of these parts. Yeah, and
With basswood, with felt, and with the sticker.
yes, and today we just make this little one, but you can, going to extend this, and you can just fold it, and then it's it's like this one.
Yeah.
So you can,
Okay,
stick them
let's
together.
switch to the main camera. Okay, let's switch to the main camera, and here is the final result. And Joy are holding all the parts she was making just now.
Yeah. So you can see it's clearly cut, no burn. Yeah, and also like stickers.
So it takes like 5 minutes, and you can finish the first project. A
Yes.
cat teaser.
Yes.
Okay,
So
that's our first project.
yeah. So our second project. Yeah.
No rush.
yeah.
Let's take some questions.
Okay.
Okay, the camera to the side a little bit. Okay. So if you want to buy the materials, the link you get is actually after discount already. So and that price will only be valid for 48 hours from 9 p.m. EDT to 2 days later. Any updates on the PayPal option for the store? We heard your suggestions, but not yet. We have other several payment solutions there, though. If you can try other ways like credit card or some other payment method. Okay, let's get ready for our second project. So please show us the materials to here.
Okay. So I know this is one of Prima's favorite projects, right? Yeah. So,
Okay, so what is this? Please introduce.
Yeah, so it's adhesive vinyl and also a canvas bag. They're all.
It's actually PU heat transfer
Yeah,
vinyl.
yeah.
Okay, so actually my T-shirt I'm wearing now is made with the same material as well, and we actually made this T-shirt 5 months ago. So after several wash, it's still same good result.
Yeah.
Okay, so this time we're doing with the canvas bag.
Okay, yeah. And also we have this canvas bag, which is included in our, M1 Deluxe package.
Yes.
Yeah, and we are going to basically cut a pattern here and stick it to here. Yeah.
Okay.
So.
And what else do we need? We actually need an iron for this project as well.
Oh yeah,
Let's
it's just
preheat.
a pretty normal, regular family iron.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's nothing like really.
Extraordinary, just normal houseware that you have.
Yes.
So you need to preheat the iron before we start the project. So
Yeah.
it takes some time.
Yeah.
Okay, let's get ready.
So we'll open the lid and also remember to put
We already
the
have the cutting
mat.
mat.
Okay, so
Yeah, you need to place it backside.
yeah.
Which blade did you use to cut vinyl? Well, we have two sets of blade heads. We have 45 degrees and 60 degrees. And what we are using here is the 45 degrees. So that is more applicable for comparatively thinner materials. And for 60 degrees, it's more for thicker materials. So if it is vinyl, 45 degree will just do the job. 丽丽把这个信息找出来，不要只给这个答案。M1 跟 D1 的这个信息很难提供吗 ？The working area.
So it takes.
Yes, already start
Yeah,
working.
we already start working.
Okay. More questions here? No need to be nervous. Joy, you hear that?
Okay.
we are all human, and Joy, you are a beginner. So No need to be worried.
Thank you, guys.
Yes.
Yeah. So
While we are waiting, how long does it take?
1 minute.
1 minute. It's super fast.
Yes.
I'm a little puzzled by not having to use a mat on felt. How does it move? I'm not sure what do you mean by this question. So for laser cutting felt, you can use the triangular prism under to get better airflow. But what's exactly your question? Sorry, you can ask again. Is the honeycomb plate necessary for cutting on M1? Well, currently we don't have a honeycomb for M1, but we do provide the triangular prism for you to get better cutting results. And we actually showed just now. I wonder the same about the felt. Yeah, please, you can specify your question. I'll try to answer. Have all the starters M1 backers being shipped? Yes, most of the users of M1's orders have already shipped, and just a small number of them are left behind, just a small number, and we are already trying our best to deliver them. Okay, it's done? Okay, very soon. Joy, you are making me want mine right now. You're doing great.
Thank you. So do you want to introduce some? Yeah.
So the toolkit Joy was just showing. So here is the package. It's xTool kit, and and one more tweezer here, right?
Yeah.
So in
that
this,
I just used.
Yeah, you can hold this to the camera, and so we have the scissors, we have the scissor, we have the weeder, we have the scraper and spatula and tweezers. All these tools, little tools, will help you to deal with the materials, especially the blade cutting materials.
Yes. So
Okay,
it's
and
ready.
this is available for the price after 50% off.
Yeah. So it's ready. Yeah.
Okay, let's take it out.
Take it out.
Okay, what are the steps? What we need here?
So in order to take the pattern out easily, so we kind of need to cut a little bit for us to take it easily.
When the RA2 Pro is available for the M1, will it be the same one I already ordered for the D1, or will it be a whole new one? Well, actually, why I need to wait for July is that we are updating the firmware and the software for the compatibility with the M1 machine. So it's actually the same RA2 Pro, just we upgrade the compatibility of it. Is the felt for laser different than the soft felt at craft stores? So for this question, I'm not sure that the felt you get at the store is the same we are providing or not. But what we are selling is just the ordinary felt. You have the tools already. Congratulations. Yes, if you don't have, you can get from us. If you already have, yes, you can use your own.
Yeah, so we already cut, and we are taking out the things that we don't need.
Okay.
Yeah, so we are using this tool. Yeah. So we pre-made one because it takes a little time to do this. So
Yeah.
We pre-made one. Just this one.
Yeah, just to show you, we can actually do it.
Yes.
Is the M1 capable of cutting and engraving laser? Yes. Yes, you can do engraving laser really well, but the laser structure is not how to say, is for cutting. It's a bit challenging that you may only can cut like very thin leather, but the engraving the result is super good for M1 or D1 the same. Okay, and the iron is ready. So should we do slowly or?
Yeah. We should do slowly. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, so we actually preheat iron and then we do just like this. It takes about 2 minutes something.
Yes, it's actually really hot, so be
Okay.
careful.
Oh, wow.
Yeah,
I think
it-
it will
it-
take sooner time.
Yeah,
So one tip here, the time, it really depends on the materials that you are dealing with. If it is canvas bag, it takes longer time. And if it is t-shirt, it takes shorter because the elasticity and like the canvas bag is tougher and the t-shirt is softer. So we recommend you to check every 30 seconds of the result.
yes. You can see the plastic is already.
Yeah, and if you have a heat press, when the temperature is 155 degrees, it will just take 15 minutes.
Yeah, see?
15 seconds, sorry, 15 seconds.
Yeah, so
Wow,
yeah,
it's fast.
it's already, yeah, it's here.
Yeah, you get it.
Yeah, I get it.
Okay, I'm gonna show this. Joy, I'm taking your bag
Yeah,
with
okay.
my t-shirt. Okay, so I'm wearing a t-shirt. I'm actually wearing a t-shirt of made by M1 as well. And here is a bag Joy just made.
Yeah.
So you can make a t-shirt like mine. You can also make a bag. Okay, let's put down the, okay. Yeah. So this are all the things you can make with M1. It's really beginner friendly and it really can help your creation.
Yeah.
No matter you are a beginner like Joy or you're like more proficient like Tim, you can do it. You can just do it, okay?
Okay, yeah.
Okay, when the RA2 Pro is available for M1, oh, sorry, I forget to add other information. Not only the software needs support, but also the connection line is different. So user need to order different SKU on the page. Oh, okay, sorry, I just made a mistake. So the connection line is different. So you may have to, so we have different options on the page of RA2 Pro. When you need to order it for M1, you need to choose the option for M1, but not the option for D1, okay?
So yes.
Thanks for correction.
So,
Thank you. And Joy is get ready for the third project.
Yeah, it's actually.
First, let's introduce the
Okay.
materials here.
Okay.
What we need.
Yes. So let us just provide the sample.
Yes,
here?
so
Yeah.
let's see here. Here are some flowers, preserved flowers.
Yes.
So Mother's Day just not far away from now.
Yeah.
So what, did you send your mom some flowers? Like what flower
Yes,
did you
I
send to her?
Yes, I did, but it died really fast, like 1 or 2 days. But for this one, this is pretty cute, and also it's never died. It's,
Yes, so this carnation and
Yeah.
the sunflowers we did with our felt.
yes, we did.
And
So today we are going to, recreate this flower,
sunflowers.
sunflower. Yeah. What we're going to need is all,
Okay, let's get all these materials here.
Yeah.
Okay.
All-
Here,
yeah.
here are all the felt you can get from xTool website, and they are on sale today, 50% off. And we have different thickness. We have 1 millimeter thick felt, and 3 millimeter, and 5 millimeter
Yes.
here, and all in 10 colors,
Yes.
and all 50% off.
Wow.
Okay, and
Yeah.
it's 48-hour flash sale. So if you want to buy it, you can get it now from our website. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Joy here
Yeah.
will use the materials to
Yes.
make a sunflower.
Yeah, so we're going to use these 4 colors of felt and also wood that is pre-cut, but we already show you how to cut wood, so you can do it on your own. We just save time for your life. Yeah, so
Let's
and also,
start.
Yeah, but also we need a twisting rod. Let me
right.
show you. Yeah, sorry.
You can also get on your local market. So
yeah,
this
it's,
is
it's pretty easy to get this.
Okay.
for kids or something.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's switch to the close camera and
Yeah. So
get ready.
The first thing we need to is to take out this
The
cutting mat. Yeah.
Because the function we're going to use the laser cutting function.
Yeah. So.
Okay. So pay attention, the cutting mat is only for you to use the blade cutting function. If you are going to do with the laser head, you need to take out the cutting mat.
Yes.
Take your time, it's really sticky, huh?
Yes. Yes. It is.
Okay, let's take it out.
Yeah. So we are going to put this felt inside the box. Yes. So yeah. And then we go on the software and we print this little flower seed.
Mm-hmm. So sorry that today we don't have good connection with NDI. That's why we cannot show you directly of the software interface. But if you have any questions of Usenet, you can always contact us through support at xTool.com, or you can join our Facebook group. We do have a dedicated M1 group that we have all our backers and users there. Okay, so you can see the machine starts working now.
Yes.
Okay, finally the question to your to the size. I get the answer. So the working area for D1 is 432 multiplied 406 millimeters. Let's get the inch. Let's get inch there. Okay. And for M1, it's a little bit smaller, which is 385 multiplied 300 millimeters. So it's comparatively smaller than D1. If you do want larger working area, yes, you can also get it on xTool website. We're actually having the Mother's Day event campaign that you can get the machine with a small discount.
Yeah. So we are going to open the lid. It's already done.
Okay.
And you can see that it's a little complicated project because it engraves and also it cuts.
Okay,
so,
can you see the engrave result to the camera?
Yes.
Yeah, so not only Joy cut it, but she also did the engraving.
Yes.
So it has the pattern of a sunflower.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. And then we put another mat here. Yes. And we're going to engrave a flower. Sorry, cut a flower. Okay.
Any chance of a future live demo of materials available in the xTool store with suggestions and tips on each material? Very good suggestion. We can definitely look into that. Yes, we have so many materials available from xTool Selected, and we would definitely like to show you how to deal with materials and what projects you can make with them. Forgot the prism, Joy. They are reminding you forgot the prism.
Sorry, guys.
Mistakes happen.
Yes.
Okay, let's don't forget it next time.
Yeah, we're going to put it after this, right after this. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. So
actually, today's live is also about using xTool materials with xTool machines.
So yeah. So thank you for you guys reminding. I will just put this aside.
Can you use generic cutting mats? Careful. The M1's cutting mat is sticky to keep the material from moving. So what we recommend is you can just use our cutting mat, because we have different low grip and high grip ones. And as mentioned, the felt we are providing are just ordinary felts, but I cannot say that I'm 100% sure it's the same that you get from the craft store, but it should be no much difference. Does the Mega Pack comes with the rotary tool and all the materials? Yes. So the Mega Pack includes the M1 machine, the rotary, the riser, the smoke purifier, and also the premium material package. Okay, so different files are on processing.
Yes. So we
Can
got
the
different...
M1 cut glitter cut stork? Well, let's say the materials cut by M1 using the blade cutting function should be the normal easy to cut materials within the thickness of 1.5 millimeters. So we are not actually expecting very thick materials be processed by M1 blade. If it is thicker ones, you can try the laser head.
Yeah, it's already done.
Okay. Let's
Yeah,
see the result.
Yeah, it's really good sunflower.
Okay, how many layers did you get here?
Yeah, I'm going to get 3 because I want
Okay,
colorful.
already 2. Let's
yeah, already 2.
set higher standard for making sunflowers.
Yes, but it's easy, you know. It's not like it's pretty and also it's easy.
Yeah, just do several completely.
Yeah.
Can you engrave acrylic pens? Okay, so M1's laser head is similar to D1's laser head. It's all diode laser. It's all diode laser, and that means we can deal with the laser engraving for most of the colors. And if it is transparent ones, you can use a color marking paper, the laser engraver color marking paper. And for laser cutting, we have some limitations on the transparent ones and blue ones. But what we can successfully cut and engrave are the colors including red, yellow, orange, green, black, and darker ones. So if the color of the acrylic pen is the one I have mentioned, yes, we can do that.
Yes.
And for engraving, like 90% we can do with them. Mm-hmm.
Okay, so as you can see with the triangular prism and also the air purifier, it's just nearly no smoke. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, but the last time when not putting the triangular prism, yeah, it's
Do backers of M1 include the prism? Yes, all package we will have included the prism. It's a small gift for you.
Yeah. So.
Okay, let's switch the main camera.
So yeah, this is all the things that I'm already cut.
Yes.
So this little all this sunflower.
3 layers of
3 layers of flower and also this circle. I don't know what it's named, but yeah. And
so that's what we have done.
Yeah. So as you can see, there's a little
holes inside.
Holes inside. It's just really little, but we also can do it with our twisting rod.
Yeah.
Yep.
Don't forget that Joy is just a beginner and she can do it already very well.
Yes, I actually.
Although she's kind of nervous, but it's totally okay.
Yes. So.
Can we get a graphic on the back of the T-shirt? Okay. Let's get this answer later. I know lots of you want the T-shirt. Let's ask if our designer allow us to provide the graphic.
Yeah. So here.
Can you stack the 3 file pieces and cut all 3 at once? We didn't try, so I cannot answer you now. But maybe we can try and get back to you, or maybe you can try with your own machine. Yes, for the felt, you don't have to use the mat. You can just use the triangular prism that we provide to add airflow while cutting. Okay, more questions. Can you cut mylar with the laser? Well, we will recommend blade cutting for this question. The cutting temperature of the laser is very high and we will melt the edges of the mylar film. So for soft materials like vinyl, like PU heat transfer vinyl and PET, PVC, this kind of materials, we recommend you to use a blade cutting head. And that's one of the reasons we have combined 2 heads into one machine, because you can meet different needs, no matter it's laser or blade, it's hard materials or soft materials, you can always find a solution. And if you are waver between laser machines or other just simply cutting machines, you don't have to be in a dilemma, because you can just go for M1, because M1 have 2 functions for you, 2 options for you. No matter it's engraving or cutting, you can just use M1 to do it.
Yes, so already, insert all the
yes,
things.
that's a flower.
And then we...
okay, it's a green one though.
Yeah.
Yes, different color of sunflowers.
So we are going to twist the rod into around this wood. Yeah.
Yes.
So it's like it's pretty fun to do it.
A lot of fun.
And also you don't need to be that
Experience.
yeah. And
Yes, and you can
have
actually
this-
do this creation with your kids. Very
Yes.
good toys for them.
Yes, and we can just we
Put it
make
here.
another flower.
Yes.
Yes.
Adding some differences here with different color.
Yes. So for the
Let's,
next one, yeah, we are going.
Take some time. Let's take some pictures. Questions here. Pictures. Sorry. Okay. Before we move to our next project, I just want to introduce more possibilities with M1 machine. As you can see on the table, we have this earrings holder that we made with M1 as well. Okay, some close up to the earrings holder. Close up, please. So you can see the earring holder. We made it with basswood. The back side, you can see it's basswood. Okay, and then we use the blade cutting function to make a purple layer on top of it. And actually, all the earrings are also made of M1. So we have the felts here, different color of felts. We also have the wood and with the vinyl layer on top of it, and some acrylic that we can cut, like the green ones, the red ones. So and the yellow ones, green ones as well. So with M1, you can really do a lot of projects. As you can see on the table, we have this pen holder. It's made with walnut wood. Yes, that's right.
Yes.
Okay, so what I'm going to introduce you is here. Okay, let's switch back. So we have this, we have different extra selection materials that would include like the walnut wood and also the basswood and also other kinds of wood. And these wood boards are also on sale today, 50% off. So all wood boards are on sale today for 48 hours. So if you want to get all the wood boards from xTool, you can get it. It's a really good deal. Okay, so these are the basswood and also the walnut wood. Okay, and we have the 3mm options for you.
Yes, and don't remember for M1.
Don't forget.
Don't forget to M1 is at a 5% off right now. It's on live only. All the regular M1 SKU have this 5% off. Yeah.
Yes, and if you want to go for the mega pack.
Yeah, if you want to go to Mega Pack, you can join the game on the xTool official website and get a $100 coupon. Yeah.
Yes, exactly. Okay. Okay. So and also for the other materials that you may get from my xTool website, I'm gonna take this out. So here are the PET vinyl here. Okay. So for this, okay, take some time. You can also do all the colors, please. See, I love all the colors here. Please hold for me.
Yes.
Thank you. And you can see all these shiny and glittery colors for you to make T-shirts or canvas bag or other things you can think of that you can use what we have just shown you.
Yes.
So cut it first and use the iron and iron for several minutes at most. That you can DIY a T-shirt or a bag like here.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is what you can make. And this is also available on xTool, selected materials on xTool official website, 50% off. Wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
Look how glittery it is.
Let's just get it, okay?
Yeah.
You can get it from the video description. You can also get in the comments, okay? Thank you.
Thank you.
So yes, we have so many materials that are available from xTool website. And if you want to see more projects we've done, we can do in the future, okay? And this as well. This is just another pack. So many colors. Just want to show you what you can get from xTool. Let's take some time. Okay? Yeah. All the colors that you can get. Wow.
Yeah,
So many.
Yeah, so many of them so that she can't hold. Okay.
Right. Okay. All the colors here. Okay? Get it now.
Okay.
Okay. It's 48 flash sale. 48-hour flash sale. Don't miss it. Okay, let's, what's our next project?
Oh yeah, it's actually engraved on the glass. Yeah.
Oh, yes.
So yes, on this glass. So we first need to, there's a lot of people asking how to engrave glass on M1 because it needs to get riser and also it needs.
Yeah, so because this is rotary engraving, what we need is a rotary attachment, okay?
Yeah.
So and for using the rotary attachment, we need to take off the bottom plate and raise the machine with the riser here.
So we are going to remove the bottom
The riser
plate.
here. Okay. Okay, let's together help Joy to take off the bottom plate and raise the machine. So in order to save some time here, we have already loosened other screws.
Yes.
Okay.
Yep.
Can we, okay, I have the question to your, I have the answer to a previous question. Can we get X graphic on the back of her t-shirt? Now, yes, we can consider adding it to our case library of xTool's Creative Space software. And you can use the software to draw by yourself. Or you can contact support@xtool.com to ask for this need. Okay. Okay, let's raise the machine.
Yes. So yeah, it's raised and also the bottom plate, the screw is taken out. So we are going to take out the bottom plate.
Okay, careful.
Yeah, be careful. Okay. So now we are going to
Use the rotary we have already connected.
yeah. So you can. So be sure that the rotary is using this side.
The right direction, right?
Yeah, this is the right direction.
Okay.
And then we actually already put the marking paper on it. Okay,
Yeah.
sorry. Already put the marking paper on it, but
I can also show you how to do
Yeah,
it
we can-
after you start the project.
yeah, because it takes time to
Yeah, we
engrave
have
and we're going-
pre-prepared it.
Yeah, so we're going to show you how to do it when we engrave. Yeah. Okay. So be sure that the red mark is on the highest level of this,
Yes.
highest height of this, glass, so it can, auto measure the height,
The focus.
the focus, yeah,
Autofocus.
autofocus. So close the lid. So today we are going to engrave is this little flower, and let's see. You first need to photograph what is inside the box, and then we choose laser cylindrical. It's specifically for this kind of engraving, and then the material is not defined, and also we need to, most importantly, auto measure the height. It will keep the engrave very clean. Yeah. So yeah, as you can see, this is on flower. Okay. So
Okay, while Joy is setting the material, let's show you how to do the laser engraver marking paper on top of the glass. So this is also available on Amazon as well. So here is the package, and we have 2 paper laser engraver marking paper inside. And how do we use it? How do we do it? So today I'm going to show you. So this is the original marking paper. Just to save the material, we can cut the exactly size that we need. For example, I need to cut a small part of it. If I just only need to use a small pattern on the glass, and then I'm gonna soak in water. Here I have a bowl of water, and I have just soak it. Soak it for like several seconds, and you can peel it off. Just want to show you here, okay? Now I'm gonna get a glass cup here, soak it, and then you can just peel this off. 这个是要反着贴还是顺着贴？顺着贴，顺着贴。Okay. So this is how you take it off, and then you can put on top the bottle. Like here, if here is the place that you want to process on, and then you may need a hair dryer to speed this up, where you can also use some tissue to absorb the water out of it to get a better engraving result. So that's as simple as it is for you how to use the laser engraver marking paper. And some of you may say that this is a little bit complicated, but the good thing about this, the advantage about using this is that you don't have to worry about the chemicals, like if you use a spray or if you use other, liquid. This is just some kind of paper that you just take it out, put it on, and dry it, and you can start engraving. And after engraving, you can just wash it off. So, well, for me, it's a good choice, though. If you like it, you can get from our Amazon store, and it's also 50% off for today's live, and for 48 hours flash sale. Okay. So, are we ready?
Yes.
Okay, let's switch to the camera here. Let's start working. Okay, let's show the close-up of the projects on the desk. 看近景，桌子上的近景。Okay, close-up of all the projects here. And actually, we have projects back on the wall here. Okay, let's switch here. We have actually many more of projects that haven't been shown today. Okay. Is that only for glass? Well, we actually tried glass, ceramic, and even acrylics. So other materials you can also try if you want to try on lighter color materials. This is recommended. Yes, we have some tests on engraving on clear acrylic as well. You can also try that. For mirror, yes, mirror as well.
So yeah.
So here, I have a mirror here, but it's not using, yeah.
I think we need to put on the glass because.
Yeah, because we're taking off the bottom plate.
Yeah.
And this is also a mirror that we made with M1. So when you are taking off the bottom plate, it's recommended for you to wear the glasses because there are some lights as well here.
Yeah, laser light on the bottom. Yeah.
So how long does it take?
Let me see. It's like.
It's also super fast.
Yeah. 1 minute.
What is the mega pack? So Mia, please share the link of our Mother's Day event. So from that event link, you can get the mega pack, which includes extra M1, the rotary, the riser, the air purifier, and also the material package, premium material package. So that's everything inside. So that's why we call it mega pack.
Yes.
Mega pack.
Yeah.
So you get everything. Okay, it's done. Is there any guide on what to use when cutting different materials, laser or blade? So the support website has a list of parameters for material processing, and there is also material processing manual in the M1 package. So that's where you can get the guide for different settings or different head, like laser head or blade head, for you to deal with different materials. You can soak it, and okay. Let's first see the result,
Yeah,
and
see
then
the results,
and
yeah.
then wash it off. Okay,
Yeah.
let's see the result first. 先拿一下，我切镜头，拿一下。
So.
Okay, we have just finished the laser engraving on the glass. Okay,
Yes.
that's the result with the color marking paper on, and we can wash it off.
Yes. So yeah, let's wash it off.
Okay, we will take like a minute, something like that. Okay, that's the 4 projects of today, and we have so many introduction here and so many challenges as well for Joy. But Joy did a very good job. Applause to Joy.
Thank you.
Okay, so that's just 4 projects, but there are like plenty more that you can do with xTool M1. And today we have 5% off for M1 machine on the upper right corner that you can get. It's only available during live, and we have so many materials that are on sale for 48 hours from now on. And like I have just mentioned, we have the laser engraver marking paper, we have the wood boards, we have the felts, and we have the toolkit. Everything that you can get, you can check here. You can check here. Okay, so you can see from here. Here are all the things that are on sale, either on our website or on Amazon store that you can buy. And no matter you want to buy xTool M1 or the materials, they are available. And also, xTool official website is also on Mother's Day campaign. So if you want to buy xTool D1 or xTool laser box rotary, you can also get it now. So everything you need from xTool. Thank you. Yes. If you're not in a rush, we would like to show you the final result of the laser engraving on the glass. Okay, and then we have to say goodbye. So if you want to get all the discount and benefits, you can get from xTool website and Amazon store. And after showing the final result of the glass engraving, we'll be ready to say goodbye. And in the future, we would like to take your suggestions on what kind of topic and theme that you would like to see from xTool's live, like the materials suggestion and demo, or xTool D1, xTool M1, or even xTool laser box rotary. Everything that you want to see or what special projects that you are interested in, we can just do it. Okay. Oh, don't forget, my fault. We have the tumblers that are available on Amazon and on our xTool official website. They are also on sale, tumblers, and the engraving results are just super. Okay, you can engrave on the silver color ones and also the black color ones. They are available, tumblers. No matter it's for xTool D1 or M1, we can do super good result engraving on it. Okay, now let's see the final result of the engraving on glass and also the tumblers. Okay, let's see it.
So here it is.
Yeah, it's the flowers.
Yeah.
And also let's see the result of the tumblers. Huh? Oh. Okay. And if you have any questions with your shipping and your products, you can always contact us. And if you leave your comments here, we can speed it up. Just let us know. Or you can also join our Facebook group and message us.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, and for a little bit of more updates on the xTool Creative Space software, actually we have already updated a little bit. We know that some of you guys may have this connection issues, but we already solved it. And
yes.
It's pretty easy to just connect the USB to the computer. Yeah.
Sorry, 调下镜头太近了。
Yeah, and also we may have, like the printing sticker function ready to develop. We'll release this kind of function in a very few months. And then also, layer management. All this, we just want you guys to know that we heard all of your voice. Just, try to, if you have more question or more advice, just try to join our Facebook group. And, just contact us and we will hear your advice and all your,
Yes.
opinions.
Yes, we always care about our customers' feedback and voices, and we'll try our best to help you.
Yes.
Okay, we actually make it more than 1 hour. Thank you for joining us and stay with us.
Yeah.
Thank you, and looking forward to our next live demo, and see you next time. Bye-bye. Thank you, bye-bye.